In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Smartsheet. Let's begin on the Smartsheet homepage. Once you're there, look for the option that says Start a new project, program, or process. This opens the creation window where Smartsheet suggests different ways to get started. You'll see template choices organized by role, including options under company management. Browsing templates can be useful for ideas, but to clearly understand how a form comes together, we'll start from scratch. Choose the option to start from scratch so we're building only what we need. Next, pick a new workspace starting point. A workspace is simply a container that keeps related items, like sheets, reports, and forms, organized together. Choose the workspace that makes sense for your team, or create a new one if you want everything for this process in one place. Then select Form as your item type to launch the form builder. Inside the builder, remember that every form is connected to a sheet behind the scenes. Each field maps to a column, so clean, consistent field design leads to clean data. If you see any default fields you don't need, drag them into the area labeled Drop Fields here to remove. Keep only what helps your process. To add something new, click plus New Field. Give the field a clear label. Name is a great starting point for most forms, so people instantly know what to enter. Then choose the field type to control the data you'll receive. For example, use single-line text for short answers, drop-down or checkbox for predefined options, and date for scheduling. Matching the field type to the input you expect prevents messy submissions and saves time later. To orient your audience, add a heading and a description at the top of the form. Use this space to explain who should fill it out, what information you need, and any deadlines. If your form has multiple parts, insert a divider to separate sections and make scanning easier. If you expect attachments, add a file upload field. It's helpful to note acceptable file types or size guidelines in the field's description so people get it right the first time. Click directly on any text to tailor labels and helper text to your workflow. This is also where you can adjust settings like whether a field is required. Finally, use the styling controls to change font and size for readability and brand consistency. Keep contrast high and text concise so your form is welcoming and accessible. That's it, your Smartsheet form is set up and ready to collect clean, actionable data.